Hola! In today's lesson, we will continue talking about articles, only this time the indefinite articles. By definition, these articles refer to a person or a thing that is not specified. For instance, when we say a house, we do not refer to a specific house, but when we say the house, we already know the house we're talking about. Again, just a quick reminder of the types of articles and the one we will be tackling in this lesson, the indefinite. In English, we can refer to a non-specific person, say a boy, but there is no plural version of that, because if we want to refer to more than one boy, we need to add some boys, a few boys if you want. The same is valid for the feminine, a girl. If you want to say more than one non-specific girl, some girls. As in the previous lesson, the situation in Spanish is different, since we have 4 versions of the article, un, una, unos, and unas. If we want to refer to a boy, we say un chico, and to a girl, una chica. So we have a distinction, again, between the masculine, un, and the feminine, una. The plural version would be unos chicos, unas chicas. Let's see now a few more examples of this, and let's start with the masculine and singular version, un. Take the word libro, book, libro. If you want to say a book, you just need to say un libro. Un is the masculine version of the article, un libro. But if you want to talk about something that is feminine and singular, for instance, an orange, naranja, you need to change it to the feminine version, una naranja. How do you know it's a feminine word? Again, by looking at the ending of the word. It's an A, so most likely it's going to be feminine. I say most likely because there are exceptions, but at the moment we're not talking about exceptions, just general rules. Una naranja. Let's consider now the masculine and plural version of that, unos. Now we have the word libros as the plural of books, and we want to say some books or a few books. Now we need to change it to the plural version of that, unos libros. Un libro, singular, unos libros, a few books, plural. The feminine version would be unas. And we had one orange before, now we have a few oranges. Now we need to add the feminine version, unas naranjas. Time to practice now. The first word is casa. Casa, a house. By looking at the ending, it's a feminine word, a, and it's singular. So, una casa. Amigas, friends. But again, look at the ending, it's just female friends. If you want to say a few friends, some friends, we need to add unas amigas. Queso, cheese. Queso. If you look at the ending of the word, the O is telling us that it's a masculine word, and it's singular, un queso, a cheese, or a piece of cheese if you want. Profesores. Look at the ending, it's an S, so we know it's plural. It's not profesoras, which is the feminine version, so we are going to add the masculine version of that, unos profesores. It doesn't mean there's just male teachers, it could be mixed, but the masculine version is the default option. And the things to remember from this unit is that un and unos goes with masculine nouns and una and unas with feminine nouns.